Darn it, man. I cannot believe that I was in prison for that because I was disowned by my mom and even because I did bully Mac and Blue. Now how am I gonna escape this stupid prison? Aha! I have an idea. I need my new plan to find a new way to escape this prison. This will be gonna punish Mac and Blue again. Me ha 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 ha.
Deckard, this is the real emergency. You're gonna see this camera footage right instant.
Oh my gosh, Gun Max. What happened? Did the criminal escape from prison again?
Of course it is, but there is a teenage boy named Terrence who escaped from the prison. The reason why was that he managed to escape with using his mind about to use imaginary drill.
What? How is it impossible? Alright then, I'll heading my members to find the suspect straight to the town. Hurry up, let's go tell them.
You know, Annie, I love playing snakes and ladders, to be honest. It's my favorite, you know?
Yes, of course, Mac. Now how about we can play the board games again? But this time, we can now play Guess Who game.
Annie, I didn't know how to play it yet. So Trish, can you teach me how to play Guess Who game?
Okay, Mac, I will teach you how. So here's the tutorial. You need to pick up any one character and the other player choose the any one character. You need to ask questions to the player like, does the character had orange hair or something like that?
Ha 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 ha. I'm back, you annoying brats.
Terrence, what the actual cheese are you doing here in my house? You're supposed to be in prison. Get the lazy bones out of my house now or I will contact the police.
No. I will not go back unless I will punish Mac and Blue. And then I told my mom that they did it until they are so grounded for that.
That's not gonna happen. Your mom will know the truth about you. She thinks that you did committing crimes of destruction the apartment hotel, assaulting my friend and his imaginary friend, and kidnapping him? Now will you get out, you spoiled brat?
いいか、お前は弟と、あいつの空想の友達に対して、身勝手すぎるんだ。お前の母親は、もうこの家族の一員じゃなくなるんだぞ。出て行け。さもないと、今度こそ徹底的に叩きのめしてやる。
That's not true. My mom would not ever discover the truth about me. As for you, you stupid fairy, I don't understand what you're saying. This will teach you brats for send me into the jail cell. Ha 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 ha. Uh-oh, I made her mad.
今、何て言ったの、信じられない。よくも私をバカな妖精なんて呼んでくれたわね。自分の名前をバカにされるのは、大嫌いなのよ。もう我慢の限界よ、この身勝手長き。お返しをしてやるわ。
Ow, it hurts so bad. I am sorry for calling you stupid fairy. I beg you.
See, I told you, Terrence. Don't mess with my best imaginary friend, Loon. Now my sister will contact the police on you.
Thank you very much for contacting us, Kiddos. You are brave enough to defend yourself with this criminal.
No problem, but Loon learns to defend herself from Terrence. I guess that she will be the police officer in the future, isn't it right, Loon?
その通りだよ、トリシャ。大人になったら、私は警察のトップになるんだ。